Thousands of overseas Filipino workers or OFWs were stranded at the start of the year following a glitch at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA. Apart from delayed or canceled flights as well uncertainty on possible job effect, some also worried about where to go as the government fixes the airport mess. This was among the reasons why OWA decided to set up an OFW lounge.
Nagkaroon ng brownout January 1. Lahat sila nakatambay lang sa labas, walang maupuan, walang mapaliguan, o walang, kailangan nating meron, at least masabi dito muna kayo. At least dito, kung gusto mong mahiga sa sahig, ako makakahiga ako dyan.
OWA aims to open the first OFW lounge at NAIA Terminal 1 in the next 2 weeks. OWA Administrator Arnel Ignacio adds that the lounge will be manned by their personnel to assist traveling OFWs.
Kulang-kulang na papeles, and madalas may mga nilalagay sila sa maleta nila na hindi pwede. So magtatagal ngayon sila sa counter, magdi-debate, and we don't want that. Yung time, yung military time, madalas naiiwan sila ng eroplano. Hindi mawawala ng tao ang lounge, and ang OWA naman is just a few steps away, a few kilometers away.
The initiative aims to provide VIP-like service to OFWs.
Gusto ko lang maranasan naman nila kung paano yung tinitreat ng, iba ang aking lugar. Kukuha akong kape, walang bayad. Lagi ka maghanap na saan ba ako pwedeng tumambay, makapag-charge sandali ng telepono. Alam mo na, mga bagay na gano'n. Ang wifi, bibigay na kagad sa iyo yung password.
A lounge at NAIA Terminal 3 is also being constructed, which is a much bigger facility that could even accommodate shower rooms for OFWs. While the lounge at Terminal 1 is not yet open, some seafarers already dropped by to see the lounge. The 3 OFWs said they heard about it on social media and they were excited to see the facility ahead of their flight to Singapore.
Maganda. Sa tagal ng panahon, ngayon lang nangyari to. Ilang years na kasi serbisyo, more than 20 years. Pero ngayon lang yung nangyari itong.
Wala. Talagang mapahingahan yung OFW. So, kaya sa upuan kasi, occupied na ng humihiga. So, limited yung natin yung upuan. And then, yung iba, higaan, wala na. Sa lapag na lang makikita mo, sa lapag na lang nakaupo. Sana lahat ng terminal mayroong ganito.
OWA hopes to expand the OFW Lounge program in other Philippine airports in the future. Tristan Udalo, CNN Philippines.